Organizing your home screens. As you spend more time with your iPad, you will probably be adding more apps from the App Store. Once you have a large number of apps, you will want to organize them. You can organize your apps by moving them around to different places on the home screen, to different pages or different home screens, and also by creating folders containing apps with similar functions. To move an app, touch and hold the app icon until they all start to jiggle. I'm going to tap on the Netflix app. All of the apps are jiggling. Hold it and move it to a different place on the screen. Any app can be moved. You can also move the app to a completely different home screen while the app is jiggling. Just drag it to the edge of the screen and let it go when you get to the screen that you want it to be at. Oops, I wanted it to be at the next screen. Let me move it over one more. There we go. Let's do that again. This time I'll use the CNN app. Move it to the edge. 1, 2. That's exactly where I want it. Now I want to organize all the TV apps on this page by placing them all into a folder. To make a folder, drag and hold one jiggling app over on top of another. Here I'm going to drag the CBS app on top of the Netflix app. So they are both in the same folder. Notice the name of the folder. It was automatically named Entertainment. I'm going to tap the little X to the right of Entertainment and rename this TV Apps. I'm going to tap Done. Now I'm going to tap anywhere outside of that folder and you can see the folder. Now it's time to add my other TV apps to this folder. I will do that by just simply dragging them. Need to jiggle them first, so tap and hold one of them, drag into the folder. Nat Geo, ABC, whoops, sometimes it's not so easy. Just kind of have to, let's try a different app. Let's try the HBO Go. How about MSNBC? You get the idea. Oh, forgot my Prime Video. That's it. Tap anywhere outside the folder to close it, remember, and you can either tap on the home button and tap on the home button to stop the jiggling.